Hey everybody, welcome back again to my Astromech channel. I really appreciate you spending some of your time here with me, and today I want to concentrate on getting some more of the body details attached to T3X here. In particular, I want to try to get items like the power couplers and the octagons and all the body vents installed. And if time permits, I might see what I can do about the utility arms as well. Alright, let's get going. So I think all of these parts are going to be permanently attached to the body. I think initially I intended to make everything removable for upgrades and whatnot, but at least at this point I'm feeling that the best option is just to permanently bond everything in. And I think that at least for most of it, I'm going to use an epoxy. Everything that you see here I designed and printed myself. You can see that some of it incorporates aluminum and everything else has some sort of a paint treatment on it. I tend to design models that can be broken down into smaller pieces. Sometimes that's done to make printing easier, and sometimes it's done to make finishing and paint easier. This power coupler is assembled from 11 individual parts, and it's put together with CA glue and screws. I'm at a bit of a crossroad here. I've spoken in the past about my plans for the utility arms, and I think that I decided that they'd be animated, they'd move on their own. However, I find myself with a bit of a deadline. I decided to display T3X at an upcoming con, and I've only got a few more weeks to make them presentable. One of the shortcuts that I'll be taking is with the utility arms. I still plan to make the final arms move, but I've assembled a set of dummy arms to install as kind of placeholders in the meantime. I want to ensure that these will be able to be removed relatively easily, so I need to put some thought into how they'll be mounted. Right now I'm thinking that the automotive emblem adhesive that I've been using will do the trick, so I'm going to give that a shot. All right, it seems like that emblem adhesive is going to work well for holding the arms in temporarily. I'm still hoping that it's going to be easy to remove them again later and clean it up for the finished ones. I want to get the legs reattached right away so I can see how it's all coming together. Okay, I'm gonna leave you there. I'm pretty pleased with how this part's working out, and I'm feeling pretty good about having something to display in a few weeks. Next time, I'm gonna be getting back to the aluminum foot shells that I started a long time ago. I won't be installing a drive at this point, but I do want T3X to be able to be standing on its own feet at the show next month. I really want to thank you for watching and for making it to the end. If you've been enjoying this stuff, and if you know anybody else who might like it, please consider sharing these videos with your friends and on your social media. And until next time, remember, there is no try.